Hey there! In this video, we're going to learn how to iterate over a list in Python. Let's dive in! In Python, you can easily iterate over a list using a for loop. This lets you access each item in the list one by one. Let's see an example. Suppose we have a list of fruits. Write a for loop to iterate over each item in the list. Here, the for loop goes through each item in the fruits list and assigns it to the variable fruit. The print statement inside the for loop prints each fruit on a new line. If you observe the for loop, we had access to the item only. What do you need to do if you want to access index of the item as well? In that case, you can use enumerate function to get access to both the index and the value from the list. Write a for loop that accesses both index and item by iterating over the enumerated list. Inside the for loop, we can use the index and fruit. Let us just print them to output. Let's try another example on how to iterate over a list of numbers. Let us write the for loop to iterate over each number in the numbers list. Inside the loop, let us compute the square of each number. And print the resulting value to the output. And that's how you iterate over a list in Python. Super easy and super useful. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Python tips. See you next time.